The KitchenAid Microwave F3H error code typically indicates a problem with the microwave's humidity sensor, with a faulty humidity sensor being the most common cause of this error. To fix the issue, resetting the microwave is often the best initial solution. Simply power off the microwave, unplug the electrical cable from the outlet, wait for 1 minute, reconnect the power cable, and turn on the microwave. If the issue persists, replacing the humidity sensor may be necessary. This involves turning off the microwave, disconnecting the power cable, and opening the microwave door to remove the turntable and support. The top access panel must then be removed using a screwdriver, allowing the humidity sensor to be unfastened and its wiring disconnected from the control board. The new sensor's wire connector can then be connected to the control board, and the sensor secured using a screwdriver. Finally, the access panel, support, and turntable can be reassembled, the power cable plugged back in, and the microwave turned on to test if the issue has been resolved.